Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp without sending a message. I have my iPhone here, but whether you're using an iPhone or Android, there are two different methods you can use to determine if someone has blocked you. Firstly, tap on a conversation with the person you suspect has blocked you. If their profile icon or picture at the top left changes from their usual image to a generic gray outline of a person, is a strong indication that they have blocked you. Additionally, if you tap on their name at the top of the conversation and you don't see when they were last online and their profile picture isn't displayed, it further confirms that they have blocked you and you won't be able to send them messages. Another method is to start a new group message. Tap the plus icon at the top right, then select New Group. Add the person you suspect has blocked you to the group, then create the group. Tap on the group's name at the top to view its members. If the person you added appears in the list of group members, it means they haven't blocked you. However, if they have blocked you, their name won't appear in the list of group members, indicating that you cannot create a group with someone who has blocked you. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.